Hello and good morning, students. So today we are going to start solving few sums based on exercise 2D that we had started yesterday. So this is the question that I have given you homework. So I'll solve it for you. So those who have find a problem in that, just try to understand. The question is minus 4 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 2 in a bracket plus 9 by 5 multiplied by 10 by 3 minus 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 4 in a bracket close. So three different bracket we have to solve it in a three different way. Before that, just try to cancel the number wherever it is possible. Always remember the law of cancellation apply only numerator to denominator. Okay, not denominator to denominator or numerator to numerator. So like 2 in the denominator, 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. So in this bracket there minus 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 1. In second bracket, see, cancellation is possible. Yeah, numerator to denominator. 3 ones are 3 threes are 9 and 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So the number will come like 3 by minus 1 multiplied by 2 by 1. Now the second bracket done. Next bracket 2 and 4. Cancellation possible? No, not possible, because in the it cancel by numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. I'll write the number as it is. Minus 3 by 2 multiplied by minus 1 by 4. Now let's try to write it together. Minus 2 multiplied by 3 and 5 multiplied by 1. Numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 3 into 2 by minus 1 into 1. Next minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 and 2 multiplied by 4. All three different bracket. Now 2 threes are 6 minus sign. 5 ones are 5. 6 by 5. So minus sign, so minus 6 by 5. Here plus 2 threes are 6 minus 1 ones are 1. 1 time minus. So in the next time we'll put this minus up in a standard form. Minus this side 3 ones are 3 by 2 fours are 8. Now students see, minus minus cancel. Minus multiply by minus cancel. Minus minus become plus. Now the next. Multiply all the number. Done. Multiplication of all the number. We get this number. Now we'll change wherever the sign has to be changed. For example, minus 6 by 5. Okay. Plus this in standard form. Minus 6 by 1. Minus 3 by 8. And this side minus minus has to be plus and plus minus has to be minus. Minus 6 by 5 plus minus 6 by 1 minus 3 by 8. Now we have to minus the 3. But how come? By making the denominator same. So LCM of 5 and 8. 5, 1 and 8. So check the denominator. 5, 1, 8. So LCM of 5, 1 and 8 is equal to 40. So what should I multiply by 5 to get 40? So 8 in the numerator as well as the denominator. Then minus 6 by 1. What should I multiply by 6 and 1 to get 40? So number will remain same, 40. Herein so 40 in the numerator. Then 3 by 8. What should I multiply by 3 and 8 to get 40? 5. So numerator 5. Denominator as well as numerator. Now the next 6 8s are 48. So denominator will come same. Now 6 into 40, that is minus 240. 3 into 5, 15. We're going to solve two number together. Now minus 48 and minus 240. So minus minus become plus, sign of greater number minus. Now what left? Minus 15. See what I did? See, minus minus plus, add the number, sign of greater number. So minus 288. Now minus 50 left upon denominator 40. Minus 288 and minus 15. Minus minus plus. Sign of greater number. Minus 303 by 40. Now this convert into mixed fraction. Why? Because the denominator is lesser than the numerator. So 40 is stable. 45s are 300. So yeah, 47s are 280 and then remainder 23 by 40. So minus 7, 23 by 40. This is the answer. Firstly, we are going to solve the bracket one by one, and then when we get the plus and minus sign, we have to find the LCM and make the denominator same, and then only we can carry forward. Now the next sum based on division. See, we have to firstly solve the bracket and do the division. So it is in mixed fraction, we have to convert into improper fraction and then do the next step. Firstly, 12 3s are 36 plus 5. We'll do like this. 12 into 3 plus 5 by 12 plus 3 1s are 3 plus 2 by 3. First bracket divide by second bracket. 12 into 3 plus 5 by 12 minus 3 into 1 plus 2 by 3. So second bracket. Solve both the brackets. First of all, it was in mixed. I have to convert into improper. So answer is 41 by 12 plus 5 by 3 bracket close. 36 plus 5 41 by 12. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5 by 3. Now divide. Given below the sign, here same number repeats. 12 3s are 36 plus 5. So 41 by 12. Here minus 5 by 3. Numbers are same but the sign is different. Now next. 41 by 12. In this box we have to make the denominator same, then only we can do the addition. So to make the denominator same, I have to make the denominator same by multiplying 3 with the number which gives 12 plus 5 multiplied by 4 and 3 multiplied by 4. Why 4? 3 4s are 12. So I'll make the denominator same by multiplying 4 both with the numerator as well as the denominator. Same here, 41 by 12, but this side to make the denominator same, I'll multiply 5 by 3 by 4. Minus sign will remain same. See, whenever there is plus or minus, we have to make the denominator same to do the sum. Now 41 by 12 plus 5 by 5 multiply by 4. 5 4s are 20. So 41 plus 20 by 12. One bracket. This side 41 minus 5 4s are 20. Here same 12. 12 12. So we'll write it same. Next 41 plus 20. 61 by 12 plus 41 minus 20. 21 by 12. Now in this case 61 by 12 divided by 21 by 12. So whenever there is a division we have to use multiplicative inverse that to reciprocate the number. So 61 by